Hello, I'm Patrick Roycroft. I'm the Curator of Geology at the National Museum of Ireland, and welcome to my lightning talk, the Down to Earth exhibition, Problems and Solutions. Well, the Down to Earth is a large Geology of Ireland exhibition currently run by the National Museum of Ireland, and it's co-curated with Geological Survey Ireland to celebrate the GSI's 175th anniversary. It's located in the Riding School in the museum's Collins Barracks complex in Dublin City and will run until November the 5th, 2023. I took over maintaining the exhibition in February of 2022. So the exhibition comprises items in glazed cases, touchable rocks, which are representative of the geology of Ireland, TV screens that have either live or pre-recorded feeds, and a recreation of a GSI inshore surveying boat, which includes film projections to give the illusion of being on the sea. So what could possibly go wrong? Here are just three of many things. So problem one, the rocks were on inappropriate plinths. The original plinths, as you can see, were black, skeletal, and had a top surface that was sometimes too small for the rock that was on it. The rocks themselves, some of which are heavy, were glued to the plinth top surfaces. This meant that there was nowhere for the rock's labels to be affixed. As a result, the public could not easily relate the rock to its location on the geological map, find the age of the rock, or understand its significance. And the public could and did physically wrench some of the larger rocks loose from their plinths, leading to these rocks becoming metastable and having the potential to fall on someone's foot. So what was the solution? Redesign the plinth and the rock attachment. The plinth was redesigned to be larger, solid-sided, top-rimmed, have a lower center of gravity, and be painted white for better visuals. Each rock was affixed by a bolt from below through the top of the plinth and into the rock. The increased top surface area then meant that the rock labels could now be associated with each rock. Problem two, the large panel displays are detaching. The central section of the exhibition includes many large wall-glued display panels. The panels were themselves affixed to white painted panels on a wooden framework, but the display panels had been glued on before the underlying white panel paint had suitably degassed. Furthermore, the temperature in the exhibition space could be difficult to control, and sometimes for days on end it would get uncomfortably hot. The combination of anomalous heat and panel glue not adhering to a degassing painted surface meant that all the large display panels started to bow, warp, and almost collapse. This posed a significant risk to the public and had to be urgently addressed. So what to do? So the solution is to rehang all the large panels. The whole exhibition had to be closed and the original contractors brought in. We could not simply nail the panels back. They had expanded too much due to the heat and would no longer fit flat. Plus, there were some TV screens that could not be moved. There was no choice but to take all the large panels down across the whole central exhibition space, excepting those made immovable due to TV fixtures, and to carefully rehang all of them so that they once again fitted together flat, and this time use a nail gun to keep them in place. Problem and solution 3, the mysterious self-opening case. One of the glazed cases, which contains many beautiful quartz crystals, had a peculiar tendency to apparently open by itself. This posed a major security risk, one, to the case contents by the public attempting to gain access, two, to the case itself if the public decided to pull hard on the door, and three, to the public themselves if the heavy plate glass door fell on someone. Again, I had to close the exhibition, this time twice, to deal with this one. Inspection of the closing mechanism revealed it was based on a bolt, but the bolt was barely going through its securing plate. Thus, relatively small vibrations could cause it to delatch. A museum-approved locksmith fixed it. However, he did not submit a report on how he fixed it, meaning that his exact solution is another minor mystery. So the lesson for new curators: expect the unexpected. I did not foresee that a glazed case would open repeatedly by itself, nor that there would be excessive heat and paint degassing that together would cause all the central display panels to require being rehung, nor that the public would use the heavier touching rocks as powerlifting challenges. Be that duck metaphor. The public should never know how much work it actually takes to make the maintenance of an exhibition look effortless. Thank you for your attention.